Electric pickups have been one of the most challenging segments to win over, especially when it comes to convincing traditional truck buyers who value range, power, and rugged durability. But Ford is stepping up once again to strengthen its foothold in this market. For 2026, the company is introducing the F-150 Lightning STX, a new trim level that replaces the outgoing XLT. The best part? It fixes some of the biggest flaws customers complained about, all without raising the price. At the heart of the update is a much larger battery pack. The Lightning STX comes equipped with a 123 kilowatt-hour unit, a massive step up from the 98 kilowatt-hour battery found in the XLT. Thanks to this upgrade, the truck now delivers an EPA-estimated range of 290 miles, which is 50 miles more than before. For truck owners, this means fewer charging stops, improved practicality for longer trips, and added confidence when towing or hauling loads over extended distances. Performance also gets a notable boost. The dual-motor setup now produces 536 horsepower, which is an impressive gain of 84 horsepower compared to the XLT. Torque remains at a substantial 775 pound-feet, ensuring the STX continues to deliver strong pulling power and instant acceleration. All-wheel drive comes standard, along with a rear E-locking differential that enhances off-road and towing performance. With these upgrades, the Lightning STX promises to feel more capable in both everyday driving and demanding truck duties. Visually, Ford has given the STX its own unique presence. The front end features a black grille accented with grabber blue detailing, while bold STX decals decorate the hood and bedsides. Unique emblems are positioned on the front fenders, and the truck rides on rugged black alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires. Adding to the tough stance are off-road running boards borrowed from the gasoline-powered F-150 Tremor, giving the electric truck a more adventurous edge. Step inside, and the STX blends practicality with subtle upgrades. The cabin features durable cloth upholstery with grabber blue accents and Lightning STX embroidery on the seats. A heated steering wheel is included as standard, making cold weather drives more comfortable. For those who prioritize easy cleanup after a hard day's work, Ford also offers an optional black vinyl floor, an ideal choice for construction sites, camping trips, or outdoor adventures. Ford has also refreshed its color palette for 2026, giving buyers more ways to personalize their truck. New paint options include argon blue, marsh gray, and ruby red metallic tinted clear coat, joining the existing lineup of shades. This attention to detail in design and customization ensures the STX appeals to a wide range of customers, from traditional truck fans to new EV adopters. One of the most surprising aspects of the Lightning STX is what hasn't changed: the price. Despite the bigger battery, extra horsepower, and rugged design enhancements, Ford has kept the MSRP at $63,345. That's the exact same price as the XLT it replaces. In today's market, where yearly updates often bring higher costs, Ford's decision to hold the line on pricing is a bold move, aimed at keeping the Lightning competitive and attractive to buyers. The 2026 Ford F-150 Lightning STX is expected to reach dealerships in early 2026, and Ford predicts it will become one of the most popular trims in the lineup. By addressing customer demands for longer range and more power while also keeping pricing stable, Ford is showing that it listens to its truck community. With these updates, the Lightning STX could be the trim that helps convert more traditional truck owners to the electric future.